Hello, today we will draw this new part. We can see that this is a square. It's 100 by 100. Let's make it some chamfer here. Chamfer 10 by 10. Okay. A slot here in the middle. Is here the slot is only 4 millimeters, not through all. And after that we will make these specific holes, 4 specific holes. So let's get started. Make a new part. We will choose front plane, sketch. So how I said, we will draw that square 100 by 100. We will dimension 100. I will not put again the dimension. I will choose to make equal, make a relation. Okay. Now you can put that chamfers now here in 2D, but I prefer to do it in 3D. For me it's more easy, because after that I can modify more easy when I will open the part. I know when you will have a more complex part, you will see that it's more easy. So make on features, extrude 5 millimeters. Okay, I say that we will make the chamfers 10 millimeters by 45 degrees. Okay, okay. Now we will draw that slot. So we will choose this face and sketch. Go on circle. No, not on circle. We will make that the middle. We search here this point. We go in the cursor with the cursor and search this point. Go straight down. Again we go on the circle and search again the middle. You see this point. Okay. So we put here diameter is 59. Okay. Now we will make on extrude cut, future extrude cut. We see that's good. Not 5 millimeter, only 4. Go on. Okay. So now we have done. We need to draw that specific holes. So hole wizard, we choose this one. We choose here type draw holes. We will choose here 5 millimeters, and here we see that the bigger one is 8 millimeters. Here you can see it. This is 8 millimeters. 4 holes by 8 millimeters. So we write here 8 millimeters by 90 degree, and we will position. Choose this face, park. How we can see that this hole is positioned is 100 minus 80 is 220. 20 by half is 10. So 10 by 10. We will choose smart dimension 10 millimeters. Side down, again 10 millimeters. Okay, Now we can let it like that, or we can put a new holes, but we will let it like that because we need to use more comments to get used. So we go on linear pattern, is automatically selected. We get this direction, and the second direction is here. We don't choose 197, we choose only 2 because 2 rows we need, and here also 2. We see that we have 80 millimeter space between them, 80 here and also here 80. Okay, so give it an isometric view. I don't know, put a material. So this is the piece. See you in next example. Have a good day.